Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review GetInvoice. So GetInvoice is a tool that is going to make the whole process of managing a lot of invoices super easy. So what it does is automatically find your invoices through various integrations with various popular software where you can store or even get your invoices from. For example, it could be Gmail. So obviously a lot of times the invoices we have, they are sent to our emails. So you're going to get that on your Gmail. But the best part is you have to integrate Gmail with GetInvoice. And in that way, all of the invoices are going to be stored directly to GetInvoice from your Gmail. And just like that, we also have some more integrations such as Amazon. So obviously if you purchase something, Amazon is going to send you the invoice. So you're also going to get that on GetInvoice. There are also many other integrations such as Google Drive, Microsoft Outlook, QuickBook, PayPal, and a lot more. And the best part is once you find your invoice on GetInvoice, you can also forward this directly to your accounting system, which is going to be super convenient. And getting invoice is super easy. As I said earlier, all you have to do is just connect your accounts, and once you do that, you're going to get all of your invoice by scanning. You can also scan a certain time so that you can only get invoices of a certain time. And GetInvoice is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $300, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $69. Keep in mind the price is going to increase after 4 days. So the base price is only $69, but after 4 days this is going to increase. So if you want to buy it at a cheaper price, make sure you hurry. Now let me show you all the plans and features. So as you can see on GetInvoice on the lifetime deal, you have 4 different tiers. So the tier 1 is going to cost $69. Here you can extract 100 invoices every month. On tier 2, 250. On tier 3, 1000 invoices. And on tier 4, 2000 invoices. Other than the extraction limit, there are also some other features such as unlimited email accounts, which means you can connect unlimited email accounts in order to get the invoices. You can also have unlimited web portals, unlimited bank reconciliations, and unlimited users on your account. So if you want to buy GetInvoice on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how this tool is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So as you can see, here is the roadmap of GetInvoice, and on the left side you can see all of the features that are currently in the backlog. So multiple businesses or workspaces, which means there is a very good feature on the roadmap. So if this feature is implemented, you can add multiple businesses or different workspaces on your account. That is going to be amazing. And then detect invoices from download URL. So this is another useful feature that is going to make this platform even better. Add a GetInvoice email inbox. So these are some of the features that are currently in the backlog, as you can see. And then there are some features that are next up on the list. So detect invoices from attached images from emails. So this is another great feature. And then zero integration, detect invoices from email body. And then there are 2 features that are currently in progress, which means they are going to be added to the platform very soon. So Google Sheets integration and stack provider organization inside date organization for Google Drive. And then you can also see all the features that are added to the platform. Now let me show you how GetInvoice is going to work. So after you log in to GetInvoice, this is the dashboard that you are going to get, and this is a super user-friendly dashboard. On the left top side, you can see all of your emails or all of the sources that you have connected, which means all the integrations. So exactly from where the invoices are going to be collected. So you can see all of those sources on here. So I have only connected my 2 Gmail accounts, but obviously there are so many sources. Let me show you. So you can connect Google, Microsoft, and with IMAP you can connect literally any email provider, and you can also invite various users. As I said earlier, you can add unlimited users on your account, so you can invite those users by using this link. And then on the middle we have a very good feature. So here you can upload any bank extract, and what GetInvoice is going to do is turn that into a CSV file, and that is going to be very organized. So you're going to see auto conciliation. So let me show you how this is going to work. So as you can see, here is the file uploaded. So you have to click on process extract, and then as you can see it has been processed, and just like this you're going to get the CSV file in a very organized manner. So as you can see, here is the process once again. So this is how you can super easily get the CSV file from any bank extract. All you have to do is just upload that on this platform. And then on the right side, on the right top side, you can see all of your invoices. And keep in mind the invoices are going to be extracted from your email, from the accounts that you have connected. So I have only connected these two. So from these two, only one invoice was found, and that is here. So now here I can see the vendor name, the amount on the invoice, and when it was created, the attachment that is added. So let me show you the attachment. So as you can see, this was exactly the invoice. This was the invoice. So just like this, you can even open the attachment, the invoice, actual invoice directly from the platform. And then you can also take various actions, such as you can view the invoice. So other than downloading it, GetInvoice also has another option. They have their own opener, own PDF opener or own document opener, invoice opener. So you can also see the invoice directly from here. And on the right side, you can see all the basic information about this invoice, such as the ID, the amount, the created date, the due date, vendor information. So these are all the information that you can get with each invoice, and you can even view it in Drive that I have already showed you. And I can also take various actions, such as I can move it to exclude it. I can open the supporting docs to upload it. I can tag it, add a certain tag in order to make sure I have provided some context about this, and I can also delete this. So this is how the invoice is going to appear. And let me show you this invoice on my email, so where it came. So as you can see, here's the invoice, here's the PDF file. So just like this, someone sent me the invoice, and now the invoice is automatically appearing on GetInvoice. I haven't done anything. All I did was just connect my Gmail account and I got this invoice, and just like that, I have got the invoice on GetInvoice. So as you can see, here's that invoice. And on top, you can obviously view the excluded ones. You can also use various filters in order to find certain invoices. You can also filter by a certain time. You can also upload your invoice or even receipts on here. You can also download the filtered view. You can select certain column to display, and you can obviously search for a certain invoice on here. And the best part is GetInvoice has a Chrome extension. So once you install the Chrome extension, you can even collect your invoices directly from various websites. It could be, for example, Amazon. So you have purchased something and now you want to get the invoice and get it extracted into this platform. So you can simply use the extension of Chrome. And these are some of the platforms that are supported. For example, it could be OpenAI, it could be Amazon, Meta. So these are some of the platforms that you can directly collect your invoices from as the web portals. And sometimes if you do not get your invoice even after connecting your source, it could be Gmail, Drive or something else, you can simply scan it. You can simply scan that platform in order to see if there are any invoices, and after scanning you are surely going to get those invoices. So you can do that scanning from here. Just go to this retroactive, and then all you have to do is just click on find past invoices. And then you have to select exactly from when you want to scan. So you have to select the start date. You have to provide the exact month, date and year. And then you also have to select the end date. And then you have to select exactly from what account you want to get the invoices from. So which account do you want to exactly scan? So you have to provide that, and then you have to click on the scan selected. And once you do that, GetInvoice is going to run a comprehensive scan, and then it is going to find all the invoices from that source. And these are all the different sources that you can connect, as I said earlier. So you can connect to Drive, Gmail, Outlook, Xero. Okay, this one is coming soon. You can also connect to Telegram, QuickBook, Business Central, SAP. Okay, this one is also coming soon. So you can also connect these integrations in order to get invoices from these platforms. And once you have invoices, a lot of invoices on here on your dashboard from different sources, you can even see various insights. For example, you can see total spent in a certain period. You can select that from here. You can also select the month, the time limit. And you can see all of the invoices from certain vendors. For example, I have got only one invoice from this vendor, and you can also see the amount. So the total amount is going to appear on here. I can also search for a particular vendor from here, and I can also see all the tags. So as I said earlier, you can provide tags in order to provide more context about the invoice. So you can see all of the tags on here. And then there are some settings that you can change. So you can change the currency, you can change various formatting settings, you can preview that, you can see the currency position, decimal separator, thousand separator, and you can also turn on the automatic tagging. So what it does is automatically add the subscription tag to recurring invoices. And then there are also some other settings such as this file name settings. So you can change the current format, the components, the date format. You can also change various settings about your accounts as well as the sources. You can also adjust the rules, so you can adjust various AI rules. So this is an amazing feature on GetInvoice. So you can add various custom instruction or a custom rule. So all you have to do is just provide that rule, just like how you write a prompt in AI. You have to write something, you have to write a rule for processing your invoices, and then you have to add that rule. So what that rule is going to do is help process your invoices in a certain way, exactly how you want on this natural language, how you describe that on this box, on this rule. And you can see more details about how the AI rules is going to work on invoice from here. So there are certain instructions about center filtering, document type, vendor, and you can also see all the available input fields and output fields that you can use on your AI rules. And then there are some notification settings that you can change from here. So overall, I think GetInvoice is an excellent tool that lets you find, process and forward your invoices to your accounting system, and the whole process is going to be automatic. All you have to do is just connect some sources. For example, if you get your invoice on your email or Drive or somewhere else, all you have to do is just integrate or connect with that platform. And once you do, all of the invoices that are sent to those sources, they are going to be stored in one place on GetInvoice. So you can super easily process them. You can super easily manage them. You can see various insights about them. You can also set various AI rules in order to make sure that they are processing the way you want. So if you want to buy GetInvoice on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Keep in mind the price is going to increase after 4 days. So if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. And these are some of the plans that you can buy and some of the features with their respective limits.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.